Hey guys, it's me, Curtis G in the kitchen, having so much fun. I'm going to make a chicken Parmesan. And the truth about when you make chicken Parmesan, you're really doing three different recipes. You're going to fry the chicken, okay, that's one. You've got to make your tomato sauce. We always call it marinara in the States. However, when I was in Pisa, I got popped in the head by a little Italian dude who says, "You mean pomodoro?" I go, "You're right," okay? And then we're putting the whole dish together. So you got the three things: fried chicken, your sauce or the gravy, and then your chicken Parmesan. So here I am frying up my chicken, and it's a real easy. I'm doing the chicken breast here because it's I've taken the chicken breast, and most chicken breasts when you buy in the markets are really huge. So what I do is I butterfly, slice right through the middle, then I cut them and make 4 different pieces. That's 2, 4, that's what, 6 pieces of chicken from 2 large chicken breasts. I'm just going to saute this till it's nice and brown. Put it in. Oh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It's just browning nicely. Flip this over. Let that cook thoroughly. It's going to cook all the way through. Okay, now I place a lid on the pan. And because you're going to cook from the bottom as well as the top by keeping that heat, and you're cooking it, you're frying all the way around. And also it helps to keep that turkey breast moist. Isn't that beautiful chicken right there? Again, I wish you all could smell this. If you could just smell how wonderful. There's my Lawrence Welk quote. Wonderful. Oh my Lord, am I telling my age when I want Lawrence Welk? My goodness. Anyway, a one and a two. And today on the microphone we have Stephen and Dorothy from Novato, California. And they just love to dance. All right, now look at that. Isn't that gorgeous, beautifully golden brown chicken? And I want to show you something. Here I've got just like a rack, a bacon rack, and underneath that I have some paper towel. And I'm going to allow. Can you see that? Okay. I'm going to allow the chicken to drain here because it takes very little oil when you cook like that. You know, it's going to let it drain away. And again, I'm going to put this in a container so I can. I'm frying the chicken tonight. Most of the time I'm going to make this the same day. So, you know, fast forward and just do it a little later, okay? So I'm going to just drain the chicken while I start making my pomodoro sauce. Okay. Chicken Parmesan. Come here. Look down here. Now what I've done here is coat my chicken in my paper bag. You know, it's shake and bake and I help, but we're doing fried. Now this is my kind of my new southern fried chicken where I just the seasoning. Look at that. We're just gonna brown this. When you're making chicken Parmesan, you're really doing like 3 different dishes. You got to make fried chicken. You got to make a marinara sauce. Or when I was in Pisa and I ordered pasta with a marinara sauce, I got hit in the back of the head. The guy goes, because I asked for marinara, he brought me a seafood sauce. He goes, "Man, you mean pomodoro?" So I'm going to make a pomodoro sauce, a tomato sauce, right? And then we actually put the whole chicken Parmesan together. Same as going to do eggplant parm. Okay, so right now I'm just going to fry the chicken. And then I'm going to actually, think I like about making chicken parm or any of the Parmesan, I can do it in stages. I'm cooking the chicken tonight. I'm going to make put the dish together tomorrow. So I'm going to fry it up, makes it a little easier. I might even start my marinara before, check that. My pomodoro, my tomato sauce before going to bed. Or as some of my real Italian family says, making the gravy.